need a doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch.
Alright, what's the first thing you notice in a girl?
It'll probably be her smile or her eyes.
Her smile in her eyes. Alright, what's the first thing you notice about me?
Probably your kneecaps. I ain't gonna lie.
My what?
The kneecaps looking pretty pristine.
The kneecaps here?
Pretty pristine, like, you know, you got good. You don't look like you got tendonitis.
First thing you notice about a girl?
Her face.
Her face. Alright. What's the first thing you notice about me?
She bad as fuck. She's cute. She's thick. My nigga, she has that shit, bro. She's curvy. She's wavy.
3,000.
She got thick thighs, my nigga. Like, bro, she's up there, bro.
Yeah, what he said.
What he said? Alright, thank y'all. So what's the first thing you notice in a girl?
Teeth.
Her teeth? What's the first thing you notice about me?
Breasts.
My breast. My breast? I got another question. Can I rub your snake?
Sure.
Is it going?
No.
Oh, that shit feel crazy. Oh, I didn't see that one. Can I touch that one too?
Sure.
You're not gonna get mad, is he? All right, what's the first thing you notice about a girl?
Come on, bro. Wait. Alright, first thing I noticed about a girl.
Yes.
Of course, her looks. At first off, yeah, her looks.
Okay. What's the first thing you notice about me? Please don't say titties. The other nigga said
See,
titties.
man, y'all let me answer those. I don't know, your face.
My face?
Yeah, it's cute.
It is?
Yeah.
Thank you. So what's the first thing y'all notice about a girl?
Her lips.
Her what?
Lips.
Oh, I thought you said her lips. I was gonna say.
Her face. The face.
All right, what's the first thing y'all notice about me?
Your lips. Your face.
Your forehead.
All right, y'all wanna be in my video?
What's up?
All right. What's the first thing you notice about a girl?
Her teeth.
What's the
Shit.
first
Her
thing
hair.
you know,
Her
about a
hair.
girl?
Her
You
hair.
notice about a girl?
Her toes.
The cheeks.
Her teeth.
What's the first thing you notice about me?
Your teeth.
Forehead. And big ass nostrils.
Big stupid ass.
Probably when I first had seen you, it was the hair still. It was the hair. Yeah.
Slick,
It's a wig. This ain't
not
no
even
eye.
the
It's
teeth
fine.
slick. It was the skin.
It was your eyebrows. They
She
nice.
got
You
good
got some
skin,
nice
too.
eyebrows.
Really?
Yeah.
It was your hair. Hold on, what happened? The skin.
You looking like a bottle of honey.
All right, thank y'all. What's the first thing you notice about a girl?
Her smile.
You didn't even keep it a buck.
What you didn't even keep it a
That
buck.
ass, bro.
All right, try again. Be real this time.
Say her ass.
Her ass?
Because she in front of me, how I'm gonna see her ass?
But if she, okay, fair.
true. Yeah.
You see the ass in the front.
Her eyes.
Real niggaology.
Her ass. What's the first thing y'all notice about me?
Damn. It's bad because I look straight down and I know
You
the
look
camera
straight at
got
my
that.
titties?
I know.
It's my boobies?
I know the camera got that, and I feel bad. You know what I mean? Because now I'm
my
gonna have to
boobies?
lie. Yeah, I ain't gonna. I mean, they out.
Yeah, I'm so, excuse me, I ain't mean
It's
to,
straight. You straight. You grown.
seduce niggas, you know.
I'm gonna go with the eyes one more time.
All right, thank y'all. All right, what's the first thing you notice about a girl?
Shit, they boobs.
They what?
Boobs.
Oh shit! All right then. What's the first thing you notice?
She in front of me, her face.
Y'all already know the fuck going on. It's your boy Solo. One part of Gas Gang. You know the
Oh,
fuck going
wait,
on.
wait,
Ain't my goddamn boy Yank
two
two
times,
times, say it
two
two times.
times,
Fuck y'all talking about though. But listen to it. It's the titties for me.
It's the titties.
What you think?
Shoe. Oh, shoe.
It's the what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. What's the first thing y'all notice about me?
Shit. Your drip.
You look straight at my titties. You a liar.
Your forehead.
My forehead.
Yeah.
Goddamn. All right.
You talking to us?
Yeah.
Oh, it's yeah, now go ahead,
Yeah, the
goddamn.
motherfucking judge.
Motherfucker. Oh, shit. The titty motherfucker. You already fuck. She got them motherfuckers out for niggas to see. Goddamn. I'm just saying.
What else?
I got on the shirt. I got on the shirt.
Look at these motherfuckers just sitting there.
All right. Thank y'all.